Hey everybody, welcome. Thank you for joining me and the Sidekicks for another video. So Zena is here. Can you say hi to everybody? Yes, say hi, welcome. Thank you for joining us. Wyatt is here too. He's looking at his paws right now. Can you say hi to everybody? Yes, say hi. Yes, thank you. So we have another unboxing for you today. My Natalie Attired came several days ago and I've not had a chance to get this unboxing done for you guys. So I need to do it right away because I think I am about out of time to make my decisions and I haven't even seen what's in here yet. So Natalie Attired is a styling service. You get, pretty sure it's 5 items. Keep all and get a discount. Otherwise, keep what you love, return what you don't. There is a $20 styling fee, I believe. They do offer, actually, they just changed their rules. So you don't have to keep everything to get a discount. If you keep it all, you get the biggest discount, which I believe is 30% now. But if you only keep, let's see. Let me dig in here. I will find the rules for you now. If you keep 3 or 4 items, you get a 20% discount. So that's cool. And if you keep all of it, you get a 30% discount. So that's awesome. So you only need to keep 3 and you will get a 20% discount. So here is the inside of my box. Pretty. And you do get a note from your stylist. My stylist is Evie, who I've had all along. And the styling fee is $20, which gets credited as long as you keep at least 1 item. You have 3 days to decide what you want, which I am on day 3. Oh no. Okay, so I have to decide today, I guess. All right, so let's do this. And we'll read my stylist notes and do prices here at the end. So let's check out my bundle. Feels light, which means we are getting to spring items, right? You do get a bag to return anything that you don't love and don't want to keep. Here's my bundle. I see lots of stripes. And I think I see white jeans. All right. So first item is by Velvet Heart. This is the sleeveless stripe button-down top and with a floral pattern on top of it. So that's different. I don't know what I think of that. We'll have to see what that looks like on. It does have a little slit in the back. It looks like it's longer, so that looks like that would, you know, probably be at butt level for that for that to show. And it does have the pleat detailing here as well. So that would look cute with the white jeans. Maybe that's what she's thinking. Next up is another top from LESAMI-T0773-NAVY. And I think I did ask for tops. This is LESAMI-T0773-NAVY Sleeveless Floral top. And this is a mixed media top, so it's kind of silky in the front. Might be a little bit sheer. Good thing I have a tank top on today. That'll be good. So this is another floral, blues and grays, white. Looks like a little bit of a taupe too. And then the back is a stretchy gray net. Okay, next is a top by Tribal. Tribal jeans. This has like a handkerchief bottom, which is like a pinky shade, so check that out. It's another sleeveless top. All right, and then something else stripy here. Skies are blue. Oh, this is a vest. So that's different. With a little gathered waist, the pockets on the bottom, flat pockets at the top here. And then the last item is white jeans by Velvet Heart. And those are cute. Everyone's sending me white jeans, so everyone's definitely getting ready for spring. And I didn't decide on I got white jeans in another box, so I have not decided on those yet. Oh yeah, a Sam Edelman pair in my trunk club, which I haven't decided on those yet. So these have a bit of a raw hem that goes up on that corner there on the side. Very cute. These are called the Velvet Heart Denim Kitty Mid-Rise Skinny Ankle. Cute. All right, let's see what my stylist said. Hi Laura, I hope you like the spring collection I chose for you. I went with white jeans with a tulip bottom and tops to go with them, including a vest that will look good over a tank or a tee. Enjoy, Evie. All right, let's see what these look like. I'll be right back. Okay, so first outfit is this striped top and the white jeans. All right, and I really could not dislike this striped top anymore. I really couldn't. So first of all, I'm really not loving this pattern. It's kind of a stiff cotton, which I'm not loving either. So I feel like it's gonna wrinkle easily. It does have this little slit here in the back, which I think is gonna be a pain and also wrinkle as well. The collar I don't think is going to stand up right. It's just not me. I just don't like it. It's not like it's a horrible top. It's just not something that I like, unfortunately. Okay, so enough about the top. I think it does fit. It's a basic button down, but I feel like it's kind of odd fitting. Oh, now that looks even better. Okay. It has a lot of room in it, and I feel like I'm going to be messing with it forever, and I just don't really like it. Okay, the jeans are actually not too bad. They have some nice stretch to them. They do fit pretty well, so there's no real bagging or anything in the back. So I do think they are actually cute little jeans. I'm liking the little tulip cuff at the bottom. And I don't think they're bad. You know, they're white jeans, which are always tough to find. Cute ones. They are unforgiving, as always, but I actually don't think they're too bad. I'll be curious to see how much they are. I don't recognize the brand, but I think they're kind of cute. Okay, next outfit. Okay, so next up is this super flowy mixed media top. It does have a lot of room here at the bottom. It is rather sheer, so I do have a tank top on underneath it. It does have the gray stretchy fabric in the back. And I'm not sure if it looks too wide at the hip area and makes me look wider. That's my only problem. I'm thinking maybe it does look a little too wide in the hips. It does have a lot of fabric. What do you guys think? It is a little low here. Like I would have to wear a tank top underneath it, but I see I do have a lot of room in the arm as well, the armhole as well. So I'm not sure. I think this might be a little bit too big for me. There's a lot of room here. All right, next. All right, so next is, what are they calling this one? This is the Sleeveless Hanky Hem top. Hanky Hem top. So, I'm not sure. I feel like this is adding weight to me as well. What do you guys think about this one? I don't think I like it. It's big in the armholes as well, and it like is bunching right here in the middle. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know that I like it. It makes me look a little, I think, heavy in the stomach and hip area. Oh, I don't think I like this either. Yikes. Let you guys see it closer up. Oh, and yeah, I just don't think this is doing anything for me, guys. All right, I got one more. We'll try on the vest next. Okay, so the last item is this vest. So this is what it looks like close up. It does have the little drawstring waist. You could tie it shut and make this waist a little bit tighter, it looks like. You could try that. See what it looks like. It does have the little patch button pockets. So these buttons are faux, they're not actually buttoned. Has the regular flat pockets on the boob. So this is what it looks like. I think I like it better buttoned for some reason. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it's doing anything for me though. It's a cute spring style. It's a very nice lightweight. I'll get closer so you can see the pockets with the little buttons, which is a nice little detail, but I like that it's fake so you can easily get into it. Has the nice little cinched waist, the flat pockets. I'm not sure. Might be cute even with the color underneath it. Regular jeans and a white shirt would probably be cute as well. All right, I'll be right back and we'll go over prices. Okay, so that was a different try on for me, right? As far as the items go. Let's run through pricing. So first up is the sleeveless stripe button down top, and it was $69. So that was this one. I really just did not like this. This just isn't me. It's not my style. I really am not a huge fan of button downs. I think this would wrinkle and I just did not like it. So it's a no. Next up was the sleeveless floral top. So this one I thought was cute, but I thought it was just way too big for me. And this is actually a small, not an extra small. So my guess would be maybe it doesn't come in an extra small. That's why she sent it, because the other tops are extra smalls. So I'm thinking that might be why she sent the small. So at this point, I think this one's just too big. So it's a no. Next is the sleeveless hanky hem top, and it's $59. And I felt like this just added so much weight to me and really didn't do anything for me. What did you guys think? So I'm thinking it's a no. And then there was the striped vest, and this was $49. What did you guys think of this? And this is like a seersucker striping. I don't know. What did you guys think? I wasn't wowed by it, so I wasn't excited about it. And the last item was the raw hem skinny pant. So that was these, and these were $74. And I actually thought they were cute and had a decent amount of stretch. And that was my favorite item in the box for $74. So everything in the box, if I kept everything, would have been $189 with the 30% discount. That's not a bad price for everything. But I just think that things just didn't fit me and weren't working well on my body. So if I keep anything, I'm thinking it's going to be the white jeans. That's what I'm leaning towards. Or I don't keep anything at all. So I would love to know what you guys think. So please, please, please comment below. So not bad items. I think they just weren't working for me. But I did like the white jeans. I thought those were cute. They have some nice stretch, and I like the tulip hem. So I thought that was a cute touch. Yeah. And I do love that Natalie Attired has changed their discount structure so that you only have to keep 3 items and you can get 20% off. And then you get the 30% off if you keep all 5 items. That's awesome. So I do like that it's a 30% discount. So So I will put my referral link down below in case you would like to give Natalie Attired a try. And I will also list all of these items down below as well in case you would like to request any of them from your stylist. And I didn't give Evie any instructions for this month. I was wondering if I had asked for tops. I don't actually think I asked for anything this month. So she was just trying to set me up for spring. So thank you so much for joining me and my sidekicks. Wyatt over here is napping. There he is. Zena has already jumped down and is ready for her treats because she knows we are wrapping up. So please, please, please consider hitting that like button. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love it if you would stick around and hit that subscribe button and join me and my sidekicks for future videos. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. We really appreciate the support. Till next time, everyone, have a great day. Bye.